Is your Jeep Grand Cherokee backup camera showing a blue screen or just blacking out? Studies show that a vast majority of these issues are simply software glitches rather than hardware failure. Let us start by performing a hard reset of your Uconnect infotainment system. Follow these preliminary checks to rule out physical damage before diving into the software. When the hardware is fine, the software often holds the culprit for your intermittent display. If you see moisture or physical damage, a replacement camera unit is likely required. Try these simple resets at home before committing to a costly trip to the dealership. As you can see, most solutions cost next to nothing, while hardware replacement is the main expense. If the problem persists, use a scanner to check for hidden error codes in your vehicle's computer. Keep these basic tools handy to safely troubleshoot your electronics without damaging the interior trim. Always verify your battery health first, as low voltage often causes erratic electronic module behavior. Check your connections and software first, and you will likely have your camera back in no time.